Hello children, yesterday we had done a lesson counting clouds. Today we will do the exercise part. A riddle time. All of you know what is a riddle? A riddle is a puzzle or a joke in which you can ask a question that seems to be tricky but which has amusing answer. So there was a riddle in poem Smiles, which is the longest word in this world. So the answer was smiles because there is a mile between two s. Do you remember that? Children, here is the riddle. I go up and down a lot, whether it is cold or hot. Sometimes I am on the ground, other times I am in the clouds. My name rhymes with daughter. I am your friend named. What will be the answer? Water. Now, fish tank. Look at this fish tank. Write 3 sentences on what you see. Draw some more creatures in this tank. So, observe this fish tank. There are 7 colorful fish in fish tank. There are plants in the water. There are pebbles at the bottom of the water of the fish tank. I feel soothing sitting in front of fish tank. There is a poem. Rain on the green grass, rain on the tree, and rain on the housetop, but not upon me. Once again, rain on the green grass, rain on the tree, and rain on the housetop, but not upon me. The words away, day, play are rhyming words. Now color the words that rhyme with. Children, you have to color red, which rhymes with in. You have to color yellow, which rhymes with down. You have to color blue, which rhymes with not. So, in, pin, spin, tin, fin, right? Down, brown, frown, clown, gown, crown, drown, drone, right? Then the next is not, dot, spot, pot, hot, and caught, right? Let's write. Children, look at these pictures and fill in the blanks from the words in the box. River, pond, sea, lake. The biggest one is, children, sea, then river, then lake, and then pond. Pond सबसे छोटा होता है. Now, here is a picture, children. See, the ship is sailing on the sea. The river flows from the mountain. Do you know the origin of most of the rivers' origin is glaciers, children, right? So the river flows from the mountain. The duck is swimming in the lake. The frog lives in the pond, right? So what work you have to do in your notebook is you will write riddle time in your notebook. Then you will draw the picture of fish tank and write 3 sentences on it. Then आप सीधा भी लिख सकते हो, ज़रूरी नहीं है कि ये पूरी पिक्चर आपने बनानी है. यू जस्ट राइट ऊपर राइमिंग वर्ड्स और इधर वर्ड लिख के इन, डाउन, नॉट लिख के सामने आप राइमिंग वर्ड्स लिख सकते हो. ठीक है. उसके बाद these sentences you have to write. If you want to draw the pictures, you can draw. Children, I would like to tell you how you can make a fish aquarium. हमने क्लास में आपको सिखाया था क्राफ्ट वर्क में. So that I will show you. काफ़ी बच्चों ने बनाया भी था. जिन्होंने नहीं बनाया है वो एक्वेरियम बनाएंगे जब मैं आपको बताऊंगी वैसे. ठीक है? ओके चिल्ड्रन, बाय.